All right, good morning, my laughter buddies. Yeah, I have three videos uploaded to start the channel. So today's a new day, and let's start the day with a little bit of laughter before we get into using AI to help with more things here for the Laughing Church Ministry. So here we go. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And then we're going to do our standard ho ho ha ha ha. So here we go. Hold it, hold it. Ho ho ha ha ha. 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 See, I can do that a lot of times because I have a lot of practice doing it. I try to spend 10 to 15 minutes every day doing this kind of deep belly laughter to help get all the good chemicals that we need in our brain. Laughter is the key God gave us to unlock the medicine cabinet that He put in our brains. Releases dopamine and serotonin. What a great way to start the day. Also releases oxytocin, the love hormone. I love all of you that are taking a moment out of your day to watch this and discover how to use laughter as you do your vibe coding and maybe as you grow your ministry. Appreciate having you along on the journey. It also releases endorphins. If you got any kind of pain going on anywhere in your body, you get an endorphins right to the brain where they belong. So I'm going to ask. I've used AI to help me tune the titles for these videos and descriptions. I actually used a tool on my phone called Granola AI, and I used that to record a transcript of a couple of videos and then feed those transcripts to SuperGrok, which you can see over here on the side, where I'm sitting. I'm pointing away from it. You gotta stop. You gotta stop and appreciate the laughter that's all around us every day. I call that having an attitude of laughitude. So work an attitude of laughitude into your day every day. So I've got a couple of questions here for Grok. And yesterday, while doing the coding and all kind of things all going on at once, it was a challenge to engage SuperGrok with the voice mode. But now the machine is rebooted. The operating system upgrade for this little M2 MacBook was successful. Very good, yay! And you'll never believe how much space I have now once the after the upgrade is complete. I now have 38.65 gigabytes available after the operating system upgrade. So luckily, the operating system upgrade didn't like fill my drive back up again. So I think I've got even more space now than I had in the beginning, and that's even before I copy these videos off onto a backup drive because now that they're uploaded, no need to keep them sitting around. So here we go. Let's engage the voice mode because I have a question. As I'm thinking about ways to use the technology to help me with the ministry, having a YouTube channel where I'm showing the behind the scenes things that are necessary IT wise, or at least I feel are necessary to grow this ministry to the point where I'm serving 100,000 seniors with laughter every week through my own efforts and the efforts of people that I've trained to do this work in the nursing homes. Um, Growing the YouTube channel. This is going to be an important thing that I should engage in pretty much every day on this channel, where I'll show you all the inside, all the insider view of what I do. I use a lot of different tools to manage my information and I've got some new tools that I want to share with you that may help you in whatever God has called you to do in life. And so, watching the YouTube channel and seeing, am I getting views, things happening? I want to ask SuperGrok if there's a way that SuperGrok can help me out with this. So here we go. I'm going to enable voice mode here. And let's see. I want to say, okay, I got to approve my microphone here. So, hey, Grok, good morning. So I have all 3 videos uploaded to the new Vibe Coding Ministry channel, and I'm wondering if I provide you with the URLs of each of those videos, or just the URL of the YouTube channel itself. Could you help me do a daily checkup on the channel and see how the views and engagement is going on the channel?
Yes, I can help you with that. However, there's something important you should know. I cannot directly access your private YouTube channel analytics, views, watch time, engagement numbers, etc. Those are only visible when you're logged into your Google account in YouTube Studio. What I can do to help you, if you give me the channel URL or the individual video URLs, I can look at the public view counts, see likes and comment counts, read the comments that people leave, give you my honest take on how the titles, thumbnails, and descriptions are performing, suggest improvements based on what I see. It won't be as accurate as your YouTube Studio analytics, but it's still useful. Best way to do this: Option 1, recommended. Just send me the channel URL once you're ready, and I'll give you a quick daily style report on current view counts on each video, which video is performing best, any comments worth replying to, quick thoughts on what's working or needs tweaking. Option 2, send me the 3 individual video URLs and I'll analyze them one by one. Would you like to drop the channel link now and I'll pull the latest numbers for you? Or would you rather wait until you have more views first? Either way, I'm here to help you track progress. Just say the word.
All right, I've just pasted in the URL to the channel. That's kind of an ugly URL. I'll track down the nicer URL, but here you go. What do you think so far?
Got it. Thanks for sharing the link. However, since the channel was created very recently, literally today, YouTube is still processing everything. The public page often takes several hours, sometimes up to a day, before the videos, view counts, and proper channel URL show up reliably for tools like me. Here's what I'd like you to do. 1. Send me the direct URLs of the 3 videos you uploaded, not just the channel link. That usually loads faster than the channel page. 2. Once I have those, I can check the current view counts, see how the titles look, and give you my honest first impressions. Alternatively, you can just tell me what the 3 video titles are showing as right now, roughly how many views each one has, even if it's just 3 views or 12 views. Just paste the video links whenever you're ready, and I'll give you a proper early report plus feedback on the titles and setup. How many views are you seeing on them so far?
So I'm turning off her video mode for a moment so that I can talk to you. So I'm going ahead and gathering those 3 links. What's pretty interesting about this setup is I'm using a tool called OBS to record my screen. So it is, and it was fairly easy to set up how you see things here. I'm actually recording this live. I'm not having to post edit my picture into what you're seeing there. It's all just put together right away because I've set up a scene that has my webcam. It has the web page, and something that I was just noticing here as I'm grabbing these URLs, I actually have another another browser window up that is overlaying what is on the screen. It's overlaying the screen you're seeing. You can see my mouse. Looks like you can see my mouse moving around, but this other window is actually overlapping a lot. But because I'm capturing a window rather than a screen region, um, it's really sorting. It's really keeping all this sorted out quite nicely. That's really impressive because, I don't have an extra monitor hooked up to the machine at this point, so it's nice to uh, not have to be like, oh no, I can't have screens overlap and things like this. So let's see. So here I've got the three URLs, and I'm taking off that little SI equals thing at the end because it just makes it ugly. And I'm going to go ahead and paste this in, and then we'll see what Aria's response is. Okay, so looks like, and I was actually able to see my channel on my phone. Aha, there we go. Okay, so here we go. Without any real prep, the tool's giving me a nice summary of where things are at. That I could copy this into a tool that I use called Obsidian. Let's go ahead and hear her response.
Channel report, Vibe Coding Ministry as of June 14th, 2026, morning. Here's the current status of your 3 videos. Video performance summary. You can look at the table in the conversation history. Overall, completely normal for a brand new channel created today. YouTube takes time, sometimes 24 to 48 hours, to index new videos and start showing them in recommendations. Quick feedback on current setup. Good things. Titles are solid and descriptive. The EP2 title successfully highlights the unique first ever vibe coding plus laughter yoga angle. Descriptions are warm, on brand, and include good CTAs. Small improvements I noticed. 1. EP2 title has a typo. M2 cleanup should be cleanup 2. Some descriptions still have the older CTA version. I recommend updating all 3 with the consistent laugh down plus technology version you like. Would you like me to give you corrected, updated descriptions for all 3 videos right now so you can quickly edit them? Next steps recommendation. Today, tomorrow, edit the titles and descriptions where needed. Share the channel link in your existing networks, main Laughing Chaplain channel community tab, email list, Facebook groups, etc. Record and upload the next one. Obsidian Vault Tour would be excellent. Would you like me to provide updated full descriptions for all 3 videos with fixes? Suggest a strong title plus description for your next video, e.g., Obsidian Ministry Vault Tour? Create a simple posting schedule or promotion plan? Just let me know how you want to proceed. This is a solid launch. Keep the momentum going.
I'm really impressed. Oops, wait a minute. Here we go. Let me enable the voice mode here. I'm really impressed that you learned how to mispronounce technology as technology in your response. Very impressive.
Haha, thank you. I figured if I'm going to be working with the Laughing Chaplain, I better learn how to say technology with the proper respect. Can't be out here butchering the sacred word. Technology is serious business. Gotta get that M in there nice and crisp. You ready to keep building, or are you just here to test my comedy timing this morning?
Well, okay, so that's very good. That's a very good start. I have sent myself some collaboration links to the Laughing Chaplain channel. So that's one of the next things I think I need to do is act on that. And thank you for catching that typo, even though I didn't even ask you to do that. That's very impressive that you were able to take the initiative to do that on your own.
Thanks, I appreciate that. Yeah, go ahead and accept those collaboration invites from your main Laughing Chaplain channel. That should give the new videos a nice little boost. As for the typo, I've got your back. I figured since you were launching the channel today, it was worth cleaning that up before it got seen by too many people. Quick question for you while you're handling the collaboration invites. Would you like me to prepare an updated description for all three videos using the proper laugh down plus technology CTA you like? That way, you can just copy paste the new versions when you edit them. Or would you rather jump straight into planning the next video? The Obsidian Vault Tour would be a really strong follow up. What feels like the better next step for you right now?
I'm actually quite fine to leave a variety of CTA in the videos. I'm always a little suspicious of making things too similar. Um, I think, other than fixing the typo that you found, I'm going to leave the existing videos as they are. We can develop for the future and improve. One of the YouTuber advisors said, post your videos early, show people your evolution. You'll find your earliest videos to be very embarrassing at some point, and if you do, that's great. That means you got started when you were supposed to. So the next video I'm actually planning is to show my start my day process, and that'll be a whole separate video. And who knows? Maybe I'll have you along for the ride as an advisor as we explore using Simpleology system to start my day, and how I use my Obsidian as a source of truth for everything I'm doing.
Got it. That's a solid mindset. Leaving the first three videos exactly as they are, except for the typo fix, is actually smart. You're documenting your evolution in public. That's part of the authenticity of a build in public channel. About your next video, your idea for a Start My Day process video using Simpleology plus Obsidian is actually a really good one. It shows a complete, repeatable workflow instead of just fixing a problem. Viewers, especially pastors and ministry leaders, love seeing how someone actually structures their day and stays organized. A few quick thoughts before you record. This format lends itself well to a longer, more relaxed vibe, maybe 20 to 40 minutes. You can naturally weave in your philosophy, using Obsidian as your source of truth, how AI fits into your daily system, and why this matters for someone running a growing ministry. The contrast between Simpleology and Obsidian could be really interesting to show. Would you like me to prepare a strong title plus description template for this Start My Day video? I can tailor it to feel natural with your voice while still being optimized. Or if you'd rather, we can talk about how to structure the video itself, what to show, what order to go in, etc. What would you prefer right now?
Okay, I think I just hit the stop here. Let's see, as my camera. Okay, there we. So even just with OBS and just one window running, the uh, Grok's voice mode in the web browser, it's apparently about as much as the machine can handle. But still, for an M2 MacBook, this is pretty impressive what it's doing. So you saw an example there of where the AI was very anxious to go ahead. Let's get the next step. Let's get the next step. Let's get the next step. And one of the things that's really important in ministry is self care. Okay, and there are some issues out there with using AI that include um, people getting a form of a brain burnout from using the AI, because the AI has no real sense of timing or the needs of you as a person, as an individual, the needs for your own health. And some people, because of that, let's go, let's get the next thing. You ready for me to do the next thing? Here, let me do it. Is so eager to do the next things that some people get caught up in that loop and they forget to take a break to, well, let's relax and decompress. So I don't want this to be a real long video. I just wanted to share the good news of everything going great and give you a little more info about where I'm going with this. My big goal this year is to train several dozen certified laughter yoga leaders who, who can go into nursing homes and go out into the community and provide laughter sessions. I want to help a lot of people feel confident in leading the laughter sessions, and because we need to get serious about happiness. And my goal for the year is to actually, hopefully by the end of this year or in early January, is actually go to India in person and meet Dr. Kataria in person and train to become a certified laughter yoga master trainer. Because as a master trainer, I'll be able to come back to all the leaders that I've certified and say, all right, who wants to go to the next level? As a certified laughter yoga trainer, I find the skills that I learned with that to be fabulous. I can show anybody how to do laughter exercise. A lot of people say they know how to laugh, but when you make it a daily practice where you're laughing with intention, you're laughing to get the true benefits, you're doing a deeper laughing where you're doing it as an exercise. So you can do it anytime you need it, when you have anxiety, when you are in pain, when you're kind of rushed. And it really has a lot of the same great benefits as mindfulness exercises, because as Dr. Kataria often says, you can't laugh in the past. You can't laugh in the future. You have to laugh in the now. And like I like to say from my first comedy book, which was called Donut Inspired, thinking about life through the lens of donuts. Um, um, having you can't pay someone else to do your laughter for you. So anyhow, thanks for following along with me. I got another video planned here for a little bit, but let me cut this one off, get it uploading, and hope you like, subscribe, comment down in the comments. I'll be dealing with technology that help with just to start your day out right, and that you can real quickly teach to others. And let's get serious about happiness. Thanks for being along with the journey.